The Interaction Lab is a human-centered design consultancy. We help companies put the user at the heart of their design process. We start off with research, which involves going out into the wild, speaking to people in their sort of natural environments to work out what issues they're facing with technology or websites, mobile apps, smart televisions, could be anything. We can also speak to the man in the street via Vox Pops, and what that does is it gives us some good useful feedback on emerging trends. Once we've got these insights from our research, we can then go into the design phase, which would involve sketching interfaces. It could involve actual prototyping, turning it into interactive prototypes and wireframes. So these are sort of mock-ups of what a potential website or mobile app, smart TV app would look like, but they don't have any back-end functionality. We can evaluate that with potential users in order to understand how well the design works before anyone commits a line of code or starts building it. So it saves people a lot of money in the long run because it means that you haven't built something which we're then testing. You can actually make an early version. So we can run, facilitate and coordinate user testing sessions. So this would involve finding the potential participants. It would involve creating test materials, so test scripts. We'd bring users into our facility. We'd run them through typical tasks. They'd speak aloud, they'd explain what they're thinking as they're going through the app or website. The purpose of this kind of activity is you can get your users' feedback before you've launched it. Something else that the Interaction Lab do and that we think is important for our clients is provide training in user experience. And our particular focus is on user experience for those people that might have UX responsibility but don't necessarily have any academic or commercial training. We bring them together, we run training workshops with them where we kind of go over UX fundamentals, different research techniques, how to design and also evaluation techniques. Who does the Interaction Lab work with? We've worked with blue chip companies all the way down to the startups at Old Street. We've worked with major airlines, public broadcasters, department stores and software companies. The most important thing for us is building a lasting relationship with our clients. We like to do repeat work with them so we can see a project through various stages. More and more we're working within the university on UX projects. This is of benefit to the university because it helps create a culture around UX within the university and putting the user first, so whether that be students, whether that be external businesses, whether that be other academics, we put them first, and if we can do that within the university, we can transfer that and repeat that with our clients.